In this video, we will go through the process of deleting a user within our ISL Online account. As a domain admin, we manage our team members via the User tab, found in the Administration console in the left side menu, and clicking anywhere within the row of a particular user. When an account is no longer in use, it is generally advised to disable the user. This means the user can no longer log in, but all of the computers and computer groups they have added and own remain unaffected. Work can continue as normal. We can, of course, re-enable the user should ever that become necessary. Now, if we need to delete a user, one can open the Independent Users menu, find the user in question, click on More, and then Delete User. If the user is the owner of one or more computer groups, we will get a warning. The computer groups, as well as any groupless computers, need to be changed to someone else so that they're not deleted along with the user. In this case, it would be good practice to first log in as the user in question, either via the web console or ISL Lite, navigate to the Computers tab, and move any computers without a group icon underneath to one of the groups to the left. This will ensure that those computers are not deleted along with the user. We can then click on the Change Owner link in the message we received. This will open the Administration Computer Groups tab, where we can then find one of the user groups and click on its plus icon. This will filter out any of the computer groups this user owns. We can then proceed to open a Computers menu by clicking anywhere within the column of a group and select a new group owner or click Assign to Me. Let us also make sure to remove the user we will be deleting by clicking the X button to the left of their username. Once we have done this for all of the user's computer groups, we can then proceed to head back to the Independent Users tab, open up the Users menu, and try to delete them again. This time, we can simply delete user. The user is now deleted, without any loss to our computers or computer groups. If you have any questions, do contact us through our live chat. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.